Welcome to LogiCopilot. In the fast-paced world of logistics, shipments change status every few minutes, with PDFs and CSVs constantly updated with risk, compliance, and policy changes. These unseen updates can lead to bad decisions, impacting driver safety, dispatch timings, payments, and compliance. Our challenge is to enable an AI system that can detect, reason, and react to real-time logistics data updates, ensuring safer, faster, and compliant decisions across supply chain operations. We've identified validated problem scenarios from Walmart's brief, including driver safety and risk management, invoice and payment compliance, shipment anomaly and fraud detection, and physical access control and compliance. LogiCopilot is a real-time AI copilot using RAG and streaming technology. It watches live data from PDFs, CSVs, and webhooks, indexing fresh updates using Pathway, and employs LLM with vector databases to answer with the most recent data, detecting anomalies, policy breaches, and safety flags. Our solution addresses real-world scenarios such as detecting high-risk drivers from new PDFs, catching new clauses like late fee in invoice compliance, alerting on shipment fraud through route deviations, and denying access if new policies block a driver. The solution flow begins with input from PDFs, CSVs, and webhooks, which are ingested through Pathway Stream. The data is parsed into structured formats and indexed using LangChain and Chroma, with LLMs like GPT-4 and Mistral providing real-time answers and alerts. Our tech stack includes streaming with Pathway, parsing with PyMu-PDF and Pandas, RAG with LangChain and ChromaDB, LLMs like GPT-4 and Mistral, UI with Streamlit, alerts via Twilio, email, and Slack, and anomaly detection using Prophet and Sclern. LogiCopilot's impact is profound, with decision-making speed increased by over 80%, leading to safer roads, reduced fraud, and better compliance. Looking ahead, we envision voice-based input, multilingual support, and deeper analytics. Now, a demo of one anomaly is ahead in this video, and rest we are implementing.
So why this problem matters? So every day, thousands of shipments move across the country, but when a truck suddenly deviates from its route, or a shipment declared value drops unexpectedly, it is often a sign of fraud, theft, or risk exposure. Companies lose millions because these issues aren't caught in time. Let me cite some data. Each year, companies lose over $50 billion due to cargo theft, shipment, and route deviation. In India alone, logistic inefficiencies account for 14% of GDP, much higher than the global average of 8 to 9%. So why these problems happen? Because risk policies like route deviation limits or value threshold are hidden in PDFs or ignored by outdated systems. Our solution changes that. With a real-time RAG Copilot, companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Walmart can instantly detect when a route policy is broken, flag suspicious shipment value changes, take action before losses occur, all without digging through manual records or spreadsheets. So this solution not only helps the companies, it also has an impact on environment. Better logistics also means cleaner logistics. By detecting deviations early, we can cut fuel waste and support a greener supply chain and reduce carbon footprint. That is why we built this Copilot, an AI-powered assistant that links the real-time shipment data with policy rule using RAG and anomaly detection. Let me show you how it works. The first part of our problem is route deviation. So here we have a GPS simulator, so which works in similar way. The GPS works when a truck runs. So let me enter the shipment ID, the starting latitude where the journey will start, and after that this opens. Here let me explain you what everything is about. So this is the current location of the truck. So it is changing in every few seconds, as you can see. So as the truck is moving, it is changing. So if the truck deviates from its route, then the bot will inform us that it has deviated. So let me show you. I have saved certain prompts. So let us see that whether this shipment has violated company deviation rule or not. So it is currently searching, you can see here. So this is the answer, that the shipment ID this violated the company rule. We need to compare its deviation policy. So it is telling us that after comparing the section 4.2 and section 4.3, this thing comes. The provided data shows that the shipment ID has deviation of this. Section 4.2 says that any deviation beyond 10 km is a breach of policy. Since the deviation of shipment is significantly less than 10 km, shipment ID has not violated company deviation rule. So it is in the okay.